مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. In this video, I'm going to show you a short paragraph where you're going to try and check your verb skills in terms of tenses and conjugation. Are you ready for the challenge? انتوا جاهزين? So you're going to try and find and fix each of the mistakes in the paragraph. Step 1, if you're very confident, this is the paragraph. I'm not going to highlight the mistakes. They're going to be only when it comes to verbs, nothing else. Only look at the verbs and check whether they're correct or something needs to be changed in terms of tense or conjugation or both. Second step, if you are not very confident and can't find all of them, I'm going to show you the mistakes highlighted in the text. And finally, I'm going to show you the corrections and explain how we arrived at the conclusion. I'm going to read it out for you. الأسبوع الماضي, obviously it has lots of mistakes, so you're supposed to find them. تمارا تحكي مع رفيقتها نادية وعم تقلها بدها تخيم بالطبيعة. مع إنه بالماضي تمارا خاف كتير من التخييم والنوم بالغابة. So they're speaking about camping in nature. تخيم بالطبيعة. To camp in nature. تخييم is camping. نوم is sleeping in the woods. نوم بالغابة. بس نادية تشجع. To encourage. تمارا وراح يروحوا أول مبارح على الغابة. So مبارح is yesterday. أول مبارح is the day before yesterday. بكرة is tomorrow and بعد بكرة is the day after tomorrow. لما يوصلوا حسوا بالتعب والخوف والقلق. So they felt scared and worried. بس بعدين ينبسطوا وعملوا كتير نشاطات activities حلوة سوا. Nice activities together. مشوا بالطبيعة يسبحوا بالنهر in the river يولعوا نار to light up a fire وشووا لحمة to grill meat وخضرة وياخدوا صور كتير ويتسلوا take pictures have fun. بالمستقبل in the future عم يرجعوا مرة تانية لهونيك to go back there another time. So review the text and try and locate the mistakes and try to fix them. Get a pen and paper and write them down and write what you think should be there instead of these verbs. Pause the screen because I'm going to move on to the next step to show you the errors highlighted. So these are the errors highlighted. And again, if you're at this step and you need your time, pause before we move on to the next step, which is the answers. انتوا جاهزين? Are you ready? So the changes. الأسبوع الماضي, that's your hint. So you get your hints from the text. That was last week. So تمارا حكيت. You're going to have to change the verb to the past. حكيت instead of تحكي. مع رفيقتها نادية. And obviously that's going to be in the past. So قالت لا, instead of تقلها تقول قالت. بدها تخيم بالطبيعة. She told her that she wants to camp in nature. مع إنه بالماضي, despite that in the past, تمارا So we can either say خافت, she got scared, or كانت تخاف. So كان plus a verb over here in the present tense means used to do something. For example, أنا كنت ألعب tennis. I used to play tennis. So use the verb can plus a present tense verb to indicate used to do something. So you can either say in the past she was scared, خافت, or she got scared, or she used to be scared, كانت تخاف كتير من التخييم from camping. That's the noun تخييم. والنوم, نوم is a noun which means sleeping, بالغابة. بس نادية شجعت, so instead of تشجع, شجعت, she encouraged. بس نادية شجعت تمارا وراحوا in the past again أول امبارح على الغابة. Again we need this in the past. لما وصلوا, when they arrived, they felt, حسوا. هن وصلوا, هن حسوا بالتعب. They felt tired. والخوف, they felt fear. والقلق, they felt worry or anxiety. بس بعدين, but later on, in the past, انبسطوا, they had fun. وعملوا, they did كتير نشاطات حلوة سوا. Lots of nice activities together. مشوا بالطبيعة, مشوا is correct. There wasn't any mistake there. Sorry, just highlighted by mistake. سبحوا بالنهر, they swam in the river. ولعوا نار, they lit up a fire instead of يولعوا. يولعوا is in the present. ولعوا. وشووا لحمة وخضرة, and they grilled meat and vegetables. وأخذوا, again in the past, صور كتير. وتسلوا, and they had lots of fun. بالمستقبل, in the future, راح يرجعوا instead of عم يرجعوا. So راح is used for the future. You can also use ح يرجعوا. عم is used for the continuous, so that would be wrong. راح يرجعوا مرة تاني لهونيك. How many did you get correctly? Do let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more lessons like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.
Are you ready to unlock the beauty of the Lebanese language? Introducing the Lebanese Mega Bundle, your gateway to mastering Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation. Whether you're a complete beginner or aiming for a higher intermediate level, my comprehensive courses have got you covered. No previous knowledge of Arabic is required. With the Lebanese Mega Bundle, you'll gain access to all levels of the program, from the very basics to advanced conversations. Plus, you'll even get access to future courses. And the best part, you can get it all for a one-off discounted price. That's right, unlimited lifetime access to my vast library of resources and the largest online course and resource platform specialized in Lebanese language learning. Worried about support? Don't be. With direct support available via the chat button during UK working hours, you'll never feel alone on your learning journey. So how does the online self-paced program work? It's simple. We all know that mastering a language takes time and effort. That's why I've packed the Lebanese Mega Bundle with everything you need to succeed. With over hundreds of hours of learning content, you'll have the resources and time necessary to achieve a near native level of fluency, which requires a minimum of 2,600 hours. Say goodbye to limited and overpriced or unverified online resources. The Lebanese Mega Bundle provides you with the largest online library of courses, quality videos, audios, flashcards, checklists, suggested activities, and study plans. You'll have downloadable written resources at your fingertips. From vocabulary to grammar, reading comprehension to conversation skills, you're covered. And to top it off, I've included a selection of interesting stories for you to savor. Need assistance? It's just a click away. If you have any questions or require support, simply use the chat button for help. If you require further one-on-one support and course feedback, as well as speaking practice, you can opt at any time to join my private Inner Circle Telegram study and support group for a minimal monthly fee, available only for the Lebanese Mega Bundle students. A safe and supportive, friendly space where you can practice your Lebanese and get personalized feedback. You can also book for discounted conversational online lessons, but remember, commitment is key. These self-paced and online courses in the program offer flexibility, control, and easy access to a wide range of resources. However, true progress requires effort and study hours. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now in the Lebanese Mega Bundle and unlock all courses to start speaking Lebanese Arabic and to achieve your communication goals, whether it's chatting to family members in Lebanese or traveling to Lebanon or simply learning colloquial Arabic. Visit the website and join today. The Lebanese Mega Bundle awaits you. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.